Alright, let's see if I got this right. Alright, y'all, so what I'm going to do is this is a 2.5 to 10, so I'm going to shoot on the lowest setting, and then I'm going to bump it up to the highest setting and see where we're at, okay? This is by far my favorite rifle. I have my SBR and it's got a silencer on it and all that, but honestly, I just love this rifle more. It's just a fun, soft shooting weapon to shoot. I've got a lot of money in this, from the Faxon barrel to the trigger. Anyways, so I'm going to take my first shot on the steel gong so we can see what we got, and then we'll take my other shots. I got two more in here on that paper. Now here's the thing, like I said, I'm not wanting high dollar match grade ammo for this rifle. I just want common ammo that I can get, and so I want to see, the best accuracy I can get out of this. So let's see how we do on this first string. I don't know if y'all heard that or not. Alright, so now we're going to go. Oh, and the paper target I'm shooting at is a NRA match 100 yard target, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot. I'm going to stop the video. Like I said, I'm not a video guy. I'm really not good at this stuff. And then I'm going to go down there and mark, and then I'm going to come back and then I'll video again. And I'm not illuminating my reticle. There's no reason to. This is not a daylight bright scope. It illuminates well in the evening and at night, of course. But during the day, if you were to use it as it is with the with the lens open, you ain't gonna see nothing. Alright, y'all, we're gonna take the long walk now. Oh, I need to get that marker. But I hope everybody's holidays went well. I hope your families and all doing good. So as for me and mine, we did fine. We don't do presents anymore. We ain't got no young people in my family. So yeah, I got my son, of course, he's the youngest, but that boy's in his 20s. All he wants is gas money, or money for to help on a bill or something. So that's kind of like Christmas for him. This year's Christmas for him was I bought his concealed carry permit class, the class, which ain't the class. You know what I mean? So let's see, we're almost there, how we do. I can't tell if I hit that metal gong, so if y'all heard it, let me know. But Let's see here. Okay. All right, let me spin this around. So I hit here. Okay. But I don't see another shot. And of course I can't tell off of this. I didn't bring no paint. So what we're going to do is, this is one. That's one right there, okay? So we're going to make that one. Now we're going to try her again and see what I'm doing wrong, if I can see it. Alright, so there's that. And like I said, I'm not using match grade or nothing. It's just using just plain old 55 grain Full Metal Jacket. And I'm not, this is going to be tough to do, but the goal is although this is a very accurate rifle, I want to be able to pick up a box of bullets that's just standard ammo and get decent hits, a high hit probability off of that rifle, if you understand what I'm trying to say. But anyhow, we're gonna try it again. I may start making some adjustments, tweaking it down. As we all saw, I was high on that. So now, okay, I'm out of ammo on this one. So let's get some more ammo, y'all. Alright, y'all, let's load up again. Let's load up again and see how we do. I got a bad feeling that, once again, as I always make mistakes, I grabbed the wrong ammo. I think that the ammo I got now is not 55 grain, I think it's 62, so we're really going to be in a world of mess. We're going to try it out. I'm going to go after the gong first, and then the paper. Okay, I think I know I hit that and I heard that. Now we're going to go after, now I'm going to dial this up all the way to the 10, and we're going to see where we'll be. Okay, y'all, let's go walk down there and take ourselves a look. I know people have subjects about, you can't truly get your rifle on a zero shooting at the steel plates. and they're right about that to a point. However, when you're shooting at these very small steel targets, you know, keeping in mind with the subject matter, if you can hit a small target at 100 yards like that, then your hit probability should be better out at the ranges past 100 yards. But then again, it all boils down to, you know, you putting the work into it, which is something I miss. I need to do more of. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to make some adjustments, y'all. So, all right, there's one. Okay, so that was one, and these are the two I just shot. So that could be improper breathing on my part. Another thing too is I actually think that I screwed up and brought the wrong ammo, which would not surprise me at all. So now the question is, are you going to zero your rifle from this distance? Are you going to make adjustments? On the other target at that range of 50 yards, very nice tight group in a very small square, which I'll show you. So that's the question, is this going to be a zero for you? Are you going to dead zero at 100 yards? And what does that mean for your bullet? And that's something, you know, that's questions I have about the 5.56. What really is the best zero for it? Zeros are just odd. I think simple is the best, but you know. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this short and we'll come back. Be back directly, y'all.